Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to get free avatars and items in Roblox. Legit methods only, no hacks or sketchy tricks. Stick around and I'll walk you through everything from finding free catalog items to redeeming promo codes and joining group giveaways. Start by opening Roblox and going to the Avatar shop, formerly the catalog. At the top, you'll see filters. Set the price filter to free. You can also sort by relevance or most favorited to find the best-looking free items quickly. Look through categories like hats, faces, shirts, pants, and bundles. There are often full free bundles and popular accessories you can mix and match to make a unique avatar without spending Robux. Save outfits so you can switch looks quickly. Use promo codes next. Roblox and partner brands sometimes release free item promo codes. Check Roblox's official socials or community pages. To redeem, open the Roblox site, go to the promo code redeem page, paste the code, and claim the item. It will appear in your avatar editor. Promo codes expire fast, so redeem as soon as you see them. Join Roblox groups that give free items. Many game developers and fan communities give group-only items or periodic freebies to group members. Find groups for your favorite games, join, and check the group's store or announcements for free items or giveaways. Play official events and seasonal games. Roblox frequently runs events like holiday events, collabs, and game launches that hand out free avatar items and badges for completing tasks. Follow Roblox events on the blog or the in-game event banners to know when to participate. Follow creators and developers. Some game developers reward active players with free items inside their games, like completing a quest or log in daily. Also follow content creators and official Roblox partners. They sometimes run giveaways or post limited time codes. Use the Avatar shop bundles and free creators. Some creators make entire bundles available free. Search bundle free or filter for bundles plus price equals free. Bundles give you a full look in one click. Be mindful of scams. Never download third-party tools or give out your password for free Robux or avatar items. Roblox never asks for your password to give freebies. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Report and block scammers. If you want more polished results, combine free items with simple paid pieces if you ever buy Robux, or swap face and body types to create a standout avatar. Experiment with scale, emotes, and animations to make your free avatar feel premium. Thanks for watching. Try these tips and post a screenshot of your best free avatar combo in the comments. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and quick tutorials. See you in the next one.